call him. Hello, Ada. What's going on? Are you crying? Why are you crying? Stop crying and tell me exactly what happened. Collins beat you? What? Oh. He injured you? You were calling your father and he was not picking. Hold on, let me call him. Pick your call.
Hello, honey. Where are you?
Come back home immediately. Collins has killed our daughter.
Collins did what? What? Collins had the guts to lay his filthy hands on my daughter. DPO, Chief Collins on the line. Ada, please wake up. Ada.
Who is that? Who?
Open the gate. Where is that beast? I'm here. Let him come and beat me too. Call it over here. Beast! Where's Peter?
Wow. One day long, they go keep person for this house.
Ada, wake up, please, Ada. Ada, wake up, please.
What?
Hey.
Ada?
Ada?
Collins, what have you done to her? Devil!
I did not.
You have killed my daughter!
No, she fell from the staircase and this condition. I did not do anything to her.
Hey!
I did not do anything to her.
Collins, you've killed my daughter!
Please wake up.
Collins!
Stop saying this.
Imezuga! Let me call my husband.
Where's my? I did not do anything to Ada.
Hey!
I am not that weak now.
Hey!
She fell from the staircase.
Collins, Imezuga! Collins, Imezuga!
Yeah, I'm here calling.
Imezuga!
Let's take her to the hospital.
Honey!
Ada?
Honey, pico!
Madam.
Hello? Honey? Honey, Collins, they will go wine. Collins have killed our daughter. Come. Adora!
Remember they say only the end justify the mission. You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away.
I said move.
You might have forgotten.
Move. You think we're joking?
So
Move.
fast, but you can't change the nature.
At least let me take one of you.
That's right. You're trending wrong.
Wait, I said move.
We lead it
I
to
will lift your leg now.
destruction. So be wise. Make haste while the sun shines.
Gonna take them easy now.
The world is enough.
So you think you can slap me? I don't, Papa. They look at you. Wait for police. Look at you, your life, in your mind. You can slap me. I don't mess up on. Hey, Chineke.
Try to make peace with your past life. Somebody else. Try
Have you
Try to make peace with your past
listen.
life.
Go in and pack your things.
I don't want them.
I am coming back to lock this place.
Yeah.
Yes, your job has. I no longer need your services.
Ah! Ah! Finally, they don't sack me. I want them. Hey! I want Chineke. I want them. Can you imagine? Why?
His phone has been off for past 2 weeks now.
Listen.
If his wicked wife has seized the phone again.
Papa, brother has to quit that marriage if it's not working for him. Eh? What kind of woman that sees his phone in any slightest provocation? I don't understand.
You see, we will not conclude yet. Let us not conclude yet. Huh?
Papa, we have to find out the problem. Eh? This time I am going with you to their house.
And you think that wicked wife of your brother will allow us into the house?
Papa, she has no choice. She has no choice. Eh? Because my brother is the head of the house.
All right, if you say so, we'll have to go. At least to find out what is going on there. Hmm?
I have to.
Right. Okay, Nife.
I'm coming.
Popsy. What's up? Popsy. What's up?
What the hell are you doing in my office?
Hey, what are you doing here? My friend, leave! Leave! I want to talk to my father.
She is going nowhere.
Father, you want this non-entity to stand before us having a conversation?
If anybody will leave, it is you.
Hey, leave. I want to talk to my father.
Says she's going nowhere.
Father, you want this non-entity to stand before us having our conversation? Why? Hey, you leave.
It's you that will leave. It's you that will leave.
Popsy, what's up?
Well, if you have no better thing to say, please leave my office.
Popsy, what's up? Can't you see I'm broke? I'm broke. Alright, see. Popsy.
Listen, young man. You are not getting a dime from me.
Come on, Popsy, you're disgracing me. Okay, just 2 million. 2 million naira, please.
You are not getting a dime.
Ah! Ah!
Be civil. This is my office.
Ah! Ah!
See, this is my office. You have to be civil.
Ah! Ah!
Security. There is a situation in my office, please.
Ah!
Go back to your duties.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
He's been at the police station because he's refused to sign the undertaking.
Undertaking for what?
For my life. This guy has gotten himself into some shady business. I don't know what it is, but I can sense it. My intuition cannot be wrong. I need him to sign that undertaking. He needs to.
But I warned you about that guy. I told you that guy is the beast. That guy is nothing much. You need a good woman that can take good care of you.
But Collins used to be a nice guy.
That's just the way it is.
At least now he has shown you his true color.
I agree with you. This is exactly what everyone in my family has been saying. They have come to see Collins for who he is. It's been pretense all this while from him. Well, the good thing is, it is over between us, and I'm planning on getting a divorce.
Well, that's good for you. So, what is your father saying about our business?
In the middle of this chaos, it will be hard. Besides, I've been trying to convince him, I've been trying to give him reasons he should partner with you. But it's proving hard. But not to worry, I'll push further. Especially now I'm in my family house.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me your parents' house?
Oh yes. At least for now.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Why? Probably he has collected the wedding gift he gave to you.
No. That man cannot do that to me.
Collins, why are you doubting me? Why are you doubting me? I just told you what happened. Why are you doubting me?
There were one of my things in there.
Wait, you mean the things you got with his own money? See, you should realize the reason he seized your phone. He has collected all you got from him. So let's just leave here right now. Let's go.
Where do I go from here? Where?
Collins, let's leave here before they arrest us here. Let's go.
Hi.
Let's go to my house.
All right.
Collins. Collins, I told you from the onset that we are not supposed to be here. What are we doing here?
I need to know what is going on. Yes.
How?
I want to know if the man has taken his house back. Then I can go and take my things from his house.
So how do you find out?
I will stay here and find out now. I'll be here and find out.
What are both of you doing in my father's house?
Adora, who is this man? And what is it to you?
And how is that any of your business, Collins? Listen to me. You and I are done. It is over between you and I, Collins. Get that into your head. What I do with my life going forward shouldn't even bother you, okay? I have moved on with my life. I would advise you do the same as well. Now get out of my father's property.
Adora.
What? Listen to me. If I go in there and tell my father that you're standing in front of his property, you know what he's capable of doing. Driving. Ritualist. Ritualist.
Madam, Colin, she is still my wife. Colin, you need to give your life. What you got? What's your wife? Come! Stop this. Stop telling me this. Stop it. Let's leave. Adora is still my wife. I'm not going to allow that man to take her over from me. Don't go there. Don't go! Stop it. Stop it. Let's open this door. No! Let's go. Let's go. Hold on. Don't. Hold me. Collins. Collins, you're still here. Collins, listen. You have to put yourself together. If Adora have decided to move on with another man, then let her be. Let her be. The only thing you own yourself now is to prove to Adora that you're not a failure. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Just move on.
Where do I start from? Where do I go from here?
Collins, you can start from anywhere. Life is a teacher. We learn from our mistakes. You can start from anywhere.
She's here.
Who?
She's here again.
Collins, what is wrong with you? Who is here?
She's here again.
Collins.
Rita, please.
Collins, stop now. Who is here?
Rita, stop doing this
Collins,
to me.
what is it? Who is here?
She's here again.
I am not seeing anybody.
Rita, stop tormenting me, please. Why are you doing this to me? Why? Look at her. She's here.
Look at you, Collins. I am not seeing anybody. Collins, stop now. Stop. Collins, stop. What is it? Collins, stop. Stop. Who is?
Hey.
Stop.
Hey.
Who is here? Collins! 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 Who is here? Collins!
Remember they say only the end justify the mission. You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten so fast, but you can't change the nature.
Here you are, baby boy. So you got the money to buy stuffs like this. But if I ask you for money, Kelvin, you would tell me that you were broke.
Come on, baby.
Please, do not baby me. Kelvin, you are wicked. The only thing you know how to do is to climb me up and down.
Don't start.
Of course I will start.
Don't start.
I will start, Kelvin.
Oh my goodness.
What is it? You made me believe that you will marry me. I gave you my body, everything. Come on to take care of me, Kelvin. You cannot. Now, look at us. We are in the hotel. A rich man's son? Kelvin! A rich man's son in the hotel? Kelvin, don't you have a home? No wonder they said you are useless.
Hey. What did you say?
You are useless. Kelvin, you heard me. They said you are useless. You are useless. Kelvin, you are useless. Yes. Ah! Kelvin, stop! Kelvin! Kelvin, you are hurting me!
Who is useless?
Kelvin, you are hurting me!
You're useless. No, say it again! Say it again! Who is useless? Look at this animal! You're calling me a useless? Do you know who I am? Who is useless? Who is useless? Huh? Stupid girl. Who is useless? Who is useless? Just leave. I don't want to see you again. Just leave. Get out. It's over between us. Alright? I don't want to have anything to do with you again. Just get out of here. Get out. Leave! Leave! Hey. Hey. Ah! Babe. Baby.
Baby, okay? I'll marry you. Alright? I'll marry you. Let's just start the wedding at once. Already? I'll marry you. Babe, please don't do this to me. Babe! Come on, stop this drama. Stop it. You know I don't like drama. Wake up! Wake up! Ah! Jesus Christ! Babe! Wake up!
I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna walk it. Guinea can one little walk it. Mananga diabo. Atulu mule. Oh, Papa, come on. All the parents' effort to better your life was in vain. Prodigal son. Organica melody. Organica gema. Bobby Digima. What else do you want? What else do you want?
It will not be long, Mirabel's body will be found, and the police will commence investigation. Right now I'm broke. I'm goddamn broke. I need money. I need some money so I can leave this goddamn country as soon as possible. That old man has refused to give me the money I asked for. Oh my goodness. What do I do? What do I do?
Collins. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Listen, Collins. See, Collins.
I'm sorry about what happened last night.
It's okay, it's fine. But all I need from you now is nothing but the truth. Just tell me the truth. Who is tormenting you and why have you been tormented?
It's okay. I'm going to tell you the truth. Her name is Rita. My love. Thank you. My love, let me tell you the truth. I love you so much from my heart. And I promise you, I will always be with you. I will never leave you. And I would love to marry you.
I love you so much. You're my everything. You are my life. See, let me tell you. Do you know that I rejected 2 suitors because of you? Yes.
Because of me?
My mother is not even happy with me. She's very angry.
Hey. Thank you so much, my love. So let me promise you something now. I will never leave you. If I ever leave you, let me die.
Shh! Don't talk about death. No. Don't even talk about death here. You are going to be the father of my unborn children.
And you'll be the mother of my unborn children.
I love you so much.
Your food is now. Hey, Mama. Welcome, ma.
Good afternoon, I'll kill you there. Rita, what are you doing with this guy? Hey, Rita! Hey, why do you keep disgracing me in this village? What have I done to you? What have I done to deserve this?
Mama...
Don't mama me.
Mama, Collins is the man I love.
Eh? Collins is the one that I love. What do you know about love? Collins is the one that I love. Just look at you. Eh? Hey, Rita. And you. Leave my daughter alone. Collins or whatever your name is. Leave my daughter alone.
I love Chigola, I love.
Thunder Balukwagi sit there. Oh yeah? You. Or you disappear from here.
Mama, I love him. He's the man I love. Mama, he's the man I love. Mama, I love God. Mama, I love him.
Mama. What? Can you hear boss? I tell them I kick your knee, biko. You can't remember. Biko. Because not cheap on what I agree. Yeah, what do you I love you.
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. I want love more. This is my promise. I will go to
Rita. Rim. Hey! Chinenye! Marita!
Rim. Next time I'm going to pour hot water on you.
Hey, Collins.
Rita. Will you get out of my house? Get into the house. Get inside!
Mama, how can you do this thing to another woman's child? It's not fair now.
My friend, get inside!
Mama.
Go inside. Oh yeah? Disappear. Rita. Look at you. I said go! Are you still here? Leave! Next time I'm going to pour hot water on you. Idiot. Rita.
Stop. Who is after you?
It's my mother.
Your mother?
Yes. Another suitor came for me this afternoon. I told her that I am not going to marry him. After they left, my mother said threatening me that she's going to kill me. I thought she was joking, no. Next day she carried a machete and started chasing me everywhere. She was just chasing me up and down.
Okay, your mother will not kill you, okay? She will not kill you.
This thing is not a joke. My mother is going to... She meant it. The man that came for me is a very rich man. He came with a car. I don't know why my mother is doing this thing to me. Am I the only girl in this village?
Don't worry, my dear. Very soon all these things will be over. Okay? I promise you.
I can't wait for it to be over. I don't know why my mother is doing this. I want to be with the man I love. Why can't I be with the man of my choice?
I know, and I promise you very soon God will do it for us. And all these things. I mean, it will be over and you'll be happy.
Yes, so that all this embarrassment will stop.
Come on, let's go to my house.
Your house?
Yes.
I thought you were going to the farm. I can go with you.
It's okay. So the farm can stay. Let's just go to my house, okay? So your mother wants to kill you?
She wants to kill me. I was thinking she's joking, no. She carried a very big machete and she was just chasing me. Hi.
I said go back to him. Go back to him.
Mama, Biko.
Go back to your life. Go. Oh yeah?
Please, Mama, don't do this to me. Mama, please.
I said go back to him.
Mama, I love Colin so much. Mama, Biko.
Go and stay with him. You're not going to stay in this house again.
Obi, please help me talk to Mama. Help me beg Mama, Biko.
My friend, get out. Get inside.
Mama,
oh yeah?
Mama,
carry your things and leave.
This is my house.
I said carry your things and leave.
Why are you doing this to me? Hey God. Mama, Biko. Mama, please. Mama,
Idiot.
Biko. Mama, Biko.
You are a lover.
Mama, Biko. Mama,
oh yeah?
Mama,
carry your things and leave.
Mama, Biko. Mama, please. Mama, please. Hey, God. Mama, Biko. Hey, Mama. Hey, where do I go from here? Mama?
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. I want love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. I want love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. I want love more.
Where are you going to carrying this load by this time?
My mother chased me out of the house.
Again? Why?
She said I should go and meet you, that I am no longer her daughter.
Oh, this is not fair now. This is not good. Why is she treating you this way? This is not right. Ah. Oh, okay, it's okay. Let's go back to your house. Let's go back to your house.
My house?
Yes.
Ha.
Don't worry.
I cannot go back to that house. So my mother will kill me. I cannot go back to that house.
She will not kill you. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Your mother chased you out again. Eh? Mommy, you have after the Millie. Why is she treating you like this now? Dance with me first.
Oh, I am now. Oh, tell me now. My body is sitting me. What?
God has answered our prayers.
Hey, thank God, though. So what is the good news? Okay.
I actually got a contact. I'll be traveling to the city very soon. My uncle came back and told me that I'll be going back to the city with him.
At last, you're going to leave me.
I am not going to leave you, okay? I am going to make money so I will come back and marry you. Don't you understand?
Promise that you will not leave me for another woman.
It's not possible. There's no way I will leave you for another person now, eh?
If you leave me, I will kill myself. You know I cannot live without you.
Don't say that again. Don't say that again. You don't have to kill yourself. I promise you, I'm not going to leave you. Okay?
So when are you going?
I will be traveling tomorrow.
So sudden?
Yes, don't worry. I'll come and see you before I travel. Oh?
I have a very bad feeling that you're going to leave me. You're going to leave me.
Mana, if you keep saying it now, it might happen, but stop saying it. Be saying, I will hold you, I will hold you, I will hold you, I will hold you. Then, in the spiritual realm, I'll be holding you.
Obim, this is not a joke. I'm not joking here. Stop joking.
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
I know that all these men, when they go to the city, they will go and meet big women, fine girls. Eh? You will not be saying I'm not your class again.
Are you not a fine girl? Eh? See your pointed nose. See your lips.
Oh yeah, swear
See
now. Swear that you will not leave me, swear. Swear, real swear. Real swear, swear.
Okay. Look at my face, I'm serious now, no?
Don't leave me.
Is this how I'm going to survive in this city? My uncle's wife chased me out of their house. Since then, I've been sleeping in an uncompleted building. I need work that can give me money so I can go back and marry Rita.
I want things done in the right way.
Daddy,
Because if it is a
I'm
situation-
saying. You're welcome to our home.
Thank you so much. But why am I here? Why didn't you bring me here?
My father felt pity for you after he heard your story. I mean, about how your uncle's wife treated you. So he decided to bring you here to give you a place in our home.
Let's go inside. Let's get inside.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you so much. I do not really deserve what you're about to do for me. But I promise you, I will never disappoint you.
Well, I was once in your shoes, and I vowed that I would never live to see someone suffer such fate. That's why I'm offering to help you. So feel free, you are part and parcel of this family.
Thank you, sir. May God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Come with me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come with me.
That was how I found myself in William's family. I was loved and cherished by everyone, including his daughter, Adora. She fell in love with me. And before you know it, she got pregnant for me.
You got her pregnant?
Yes, and that was the worst mistake of my life. Because her father insisted I must marry her.
This is serious.
You know, I didn't know how to face Rita and told her of everything. I just have to carry on with my life. You know, my parents supported me to go on with the marriage. I carried on with everything. We did everything here in the city. Chief gave us a house and other gifts.
So where is the pregnancy?
She lost the pregnancy 3 months after our wedding, immediately the death of Rita.
So what happened to her?
She heard of the marriage and killed herself.
But
I mean, she stabbed herself.
She stabbed herself?
Yeah.
Why not?
I was told that she heard of the marriage and even vowed that she must make my life miserable. And that is what she's doing.
This is unbelievable.
It's all my fault.
So why did sudden change in your wife? Where is the problem she has?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear. You are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please sit.
Thank you.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
My daughter has told me a lot about you.
Really? What have you been telling me?
How naughty you have been.
Please go and get something from Mr. Brown.
No,
It's
Mama.
fine.
Mama, no, I don't want anything. I'm fine. I don't feel like taking it.
Says who? My friend? Mom, not to worry. I know his usual.
You have a very nice daughter, baby.
You are a nice man too. My daughter has told me a lot about you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
He is the kind of man I want for my daughter. Rich and handsome.
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more, this is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you.
Papa, look.
It's locked.
Papa, there is no one inside though.
No, but they have a gate man. He hits the gate again.
Papa, I don't think there is someone inside that house. So.
In that case, we'll have to wait for them.
Papa, I'm tired.
See, I'm not going back to that village without seeing my son. Huh? We'll have to wait for them. Papa,
I'm tired. Me, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
I will get you water to drink.
We have been here for more than 5 hours now. Eh?
Yes, my daughter, you are correct. But like I said, I will not leave here until I've seen my son.
Papa, it's getting late. You know where we came from. Let us go.
I must get information about my son's whereabouts before I leave.
Papa, you are very funny. Which information do you want? Papa, let us go. There is no one inside this house. Let us go.
I must see someone to ask. See, I cannot just come and go. Eh? I must find out what is going on between my son and his wife. Ogini?
Okay.
Huh?
No problem. Let's wait. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired, Papa. I'm tired.
The young man is demanding that I make a payment of the goods the containers have not seen. Worst, Adora is insisting that I pay.
Honey, do as our daughter said. She trusts him. They are friends.
This is not friendship. It is business we are talking about. How can I risk 50 million naira to a man I do not know?
But Adora knows him.
Hey! Greetings, Dad.
Where are you coming from?
Greetings, Mom. Huh?
Where have you been?
Oh, that is the right question. The right question should be, what is he doing here?
What is going on, Mom? Huh? I am tired of this man. If this man wants me to leave his house, fine and good. No problem. All I need is money. Let him give me some dollars so I'll go back to Ohio. My friends are already calling me. They want to see me. They want me back. Give me some dollars, man. Let me go back.
Honey, please. You can't chase him away. He is our son.
So, after begging him, also do let him know that I'm not giving him a dime. If he wants to go back to school, let him jolly well go back to school. Without my money!
Wicked man. Wicked man. Wicked man. Wicked man.
Problem. Why is this man being so hard on this boy?
I don't know. Mom.
Please calm down.
Mom, please. I need to ask a question very important. Is this man my father? Is he my father? I need a DNA test. Yes. I need a DNA result. Let me know if that man is my father. But whether he likes it or not, this house belongs to me and I must go back to Ohio. My guys are waiting for me. Wicked man, wicked man. Wicked man, wicked man. Wicked man.
Remember they say only the end just fine. The mission you can run, but you can't hide.
Why did you stop here? Driving.
I know some other time. I have to go from here.
Why? Are you scared of my people? I mean, they don't bite.
For what?
Do I know?
I have somewhere to rush to. This place is like my second home. And I know I'm welcomed anytime.
It's okay. Call me, all right?
I will. Ada, just close the door, please.
Okay.
I've been meaning to tell you this, but I don't know where to start from. I love you. I really love you. Please be my wife.
I just ended my marriage. You don't expect me to jump into another.
It doesn't really matter. I want to make it right for you. I want to give you that affection, that love, that care you never experienced from your former marriage. And I promise you're not going to regret it.
No comment.
Just say yes. That's all I want to hear.
It was all my fault. I wouldn't be in this mess if I had married Rita. Now look at me. Where do I start from? My mother died carelessly because of my wife's attitude.
Rita, I am sorry. I am sorry, Rita. You know I loved you so much before I made that mistake. Please forgive me, please.
Betrayed me. You left me for another woman. I killed myself because of you.
Rita, I am sorry. Biko, Harum, it wasn't intentional at all. You know me, you know I'm not a wicked person. It wasn't intentional. Please forgive me, please.
You are wicked. I curse you today. You shall know no peace until you die. No marriage will ever work for you in your entire life. No woman will ever love you till you die.
Hey, Rita, please. Please take back your curse, please. Please. I'm sorry. Please.
I will not take it back. You will suffer.
Collins, what is it? Collins, I asked, what is it?
She came to my dream.
Who?
Rita. She said that my marriage will never work. She also said that no woman will ever love me.
Wait, you mean she said all this to you?
I know, Rita. She has a strong heart. She said that before in a test that she sent to me before she died. That my marriage with Adora will never work.
This is serious. This is serious. My brother, I think you really need to do something about this. You need to do something about this. Her spirit needs to be appeased.
How do I appease a spirit? Is that possible?
Calm down. I will take you to a place tomorrow.
No. I will not go to a place where my faith will not accept.
Collins, you're still talking about this your nonsense faith. Collins, you're still talking about this faith. Anyways, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. A ghost has never ever slapped you before. By the time they do, by the time they slap thunder out of your eyes, your brain will reset and you will do something meaningful with your life. And Amola, they will slap you back to your maternal home. If you're not careful with this, your Rita. Take care of the house. I'm going out. Gonna go to faith.
I don't know how to say this.
What is it, my daughter? Talk to your mom, please.
He proposed.
Who?
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown? He did? And what did you tell him?
Of course, I said yes.
Wow. I am happy for you.
But Mom, I don't know if I'm making a mistake.
No, my daughter. You are not. Now you are dealing with a perfect man. I am happy for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, my daughter.
Mom, thank you. Thank you, Mom. You are the best mom on earth.
I'm happy for you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Yes. Now it will motivate your father to pay that money into his account.
Right? I mean, he's going to be his future son-in-law.
Sure.
I can't wait to tell Dad. I can't wait to show him this.
I would like to be there when you're telling him.
Mom, you're such an boy. But Mom, take a look at this ring. It is beautiful.
So beautiful, my daughter. I am happy for you.
It is high time I gave love a chance.
Very important.
I know.
I am happy for you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. It is beautiful.
Yes.
Look at it.
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.
I'll blow your head if you make a noise. Now you will drive according to my direction. If you act anything funny, you will pay with your life. Move.
Please, sir. Don't shoot. Please.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Move,
Please,
I
sir.
said.
Please,
Move.
don't.
Move, I said.
This is strange. How can my daughter disappear 3 days after she made me to pay Mr. Brown for the containers I've never set my eyes on?
Honey, what are you trying to say now? Eh? Our daughter's disappearance has nothing to do with that payment.
How can Mr. Brown's phone be switched off for 3 days now? Isn't that so strange?
Adora's phone is switched off. Oh my God, what's happening?
Switched off? Honey, Collins is responsible for our daughter's disappearance.
Oh, well, kidnapping is a serious crime. So I have to make sure of what I'm doing.
Dad, Mom is right. Adora told me how Collins threatened to deal with her if you punish him for beating her.
I don't know why you find it so difficult to understand that that boy is
very dangerous. He's a pretender.
Kidnapping is a serious crime, so I have to make sure of what I'm doing.
It is no other person than Collins.
Mom, Dad, I know his friend's place. Let's go there and arrest him.
So, Papa, that was what happened. I've been in my friend's house all this while. The reason I came back is to seek for a solution so I can be free from Rita's torment.
You see, my son, I've heard all you said. But before we do anything, we have to make a proper consultation so as to know what to do to appease the spirit.
Papa, I do not need consultation on this.
If you don't need consultation, then how do we now know what to do to appease her spirit?
Papa, I'll go to her grave. I'll kneel down there, cry. I'll beg her for forgiveness. Okay, I am going to pour out my heart for her.
That will not be enough. Going to her grave to cry and to beg will not be enough. We need to make some consultations as to know what to do. Going there is not enough, my son.
So, Papa, what do we do about it?
Good. We'll embark on a journey tomorrow.
Papa, tomorrow. Why not today? Let's do this thing today. You know, delay is dangerous. If I do not act fast, this girl might kill me.
Mba. Okay, man.
Papa, please, understand me. Hey! Papa, she's here.
Who?
She's here, oh.
Who now?
Papa, she's here. Look at her. Look at her, she's here. She's here.
But are you okay?
She's here. Hey!
Papa, what's wrong with him?
Are you asking?
That idiot will remain in police net until he reveals the whereabouts of Collins.
Honey, you caused this. Collins wouldn't have absconded if you had listened to me and acted earlier than this.
His friend will reveal his whereabouts.
Adora is calling.
Pick it.
So speak up.
Ada? Ada?
Listen attentively. I have your daughter with me. I give you 2 days to pay 200 million naira ransom or say goodbye to her forever. Contacting or reporting to the police will worse the matter because I will collect the ransom and still kill her. Get the money ready. I will call you by this time tomorrow to tell you how to deliver it.
Honey.
Call him back. Call him back.
Hello? Honey, we have to withdraw this case from the police, please.
Why?
Yes.
Why must I withdraw it?
Collins will kill our daughter if he finds out that his friend is arrested.
Dad, Mom is right.
Oh, will you shut up? Allow me to think. Call him again.
amụrụ gịnị ya amụkwanụ nwoke gịnị ka nwanyị litere o litere nwoke mana nke a dị egwu atụrụ m lebune ọ gbakwa aka nwa all the parents effort to better your life was in vain, prodigal son. Oginike meredi, oginike gema, obidigima. What else do you want? What else do you want? Prodigal son. You never want to do anything, but you want to live a larger life. Prodigal son. Atụrụ m lebune baka nwa. Atụrụ m lebune baka nwa. Atụrụ m lebune baka nwa.
I made it! Winner! Winner! Let's go and celebrate!
Your hands in the air. If you move, I shoot you.
Come here. Huh? Go there.
Put your hands on the hood.
Please don't shoot. Move. Easy.
Put your 2 hands on the hood of the car.
Take it easy. Hey, father! Father!
Put your hands on
Father! My father is here. Father! These guys again, they want to harass me. Thank God you came here. These men want to deal with me. Thank you for coming. This man wants to kill me. Look at them. They want to kill me, father.
Kelvin!
Father.
Are you the kidnapper?
But I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you cost it. You cost it. I told you I need money. I needed money to travel out of the country. I am tired of this place. We can settle this amicably. Tell this man to leave me alone. Go.
Where?
Father, tell them to leave me alone.
You call kidnapping a family business?
Iskaba. Iskaba. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Rise up. You are not dead.
I'm dead.
Rise up until you get to the station.
I am dead. Get up. I'm dead. Take me to the mortuary. Take me to the mortuary. I'm dead. Take me to the mortuary. My father has killed me. I'm dead. I am dead. Shoot me. My father slapped me.
Take him away.
For the first time. Oh my goodness. You guys are killing me again. I'm dead.
I'm not dead yet.
I am dead. I can't move on it. I'm dead. Father, you can't leave me like this. I'm still your son. Oh, you're not my father, right? I said I'm dead. Take me to the mortuary.
Move this way.
Take me to the mortuary. Father, I'm dead. Take me to the mortuary. I'm not going anywhere.
Come down.
I said I'm dead. You can't do this to me. I'm dead. Take me to the mortuary.
Come down.
Take me to the mortuary.
"5 days have gone since my father took me to that man of God at Ubulu Inu. He assured me that everything will be okay as soon as I'm done with the 7 days midnight prayer he gave me. I'm really responsible for my misfortune."
Mr. Collins, what you did to that young lady was very bad. And that is why her spirit has refused to rest until she had her revenge on you. She's the one causing the problem in your family, in your marriage. She's using your wife to frustrate you.
I said it. I said it. Adora changed overnight. We were living in peace until that night.
She's behind everything. She's the cause of everything. What you are going through is what I'll call a kiss from the grave, if you understand what I mean.
A kiss from the grave?
Yes.
Did her ghost kiss me? Okay. What am I going to do for all this to stop?
Prayers, of course. Prayers is the master key. The author and finisher of our faith. If we pray, everything will be over. Because she's equally responsible to your wife's inability to conceive. So you need to embark on midnight, 7 night prayers with psalms. With that, God will take absolute control. I believe you.
So because I'm not praying, so that's making mess of me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Circumstances led me into Adora's hand that tear us apart. You shouldn't have taken your own life because of me. Just because of me. I'm sorry. The circumstances led me into Adora's hand, which tear us apart. Rita. Rita, may your soul rest in peace. Ezigbo mmadụ. Rita, may your soul rest in peace.
A kiss from the grave.
Rita, nah.
I have told you, if you want to come, come. If you want to come. Stop disturbing me.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm here to see Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown. He didn't tell you. Mr. Brown has traveled now. He has traveled abroad. Yeah, as a matter of fact, someone else has occupied his apartment. A married man with kids.
Mr. Is this some kind of joke? Traveled to where? I've been trying to reach him. His numbers are switched off. I can't possibly travel with my father's 15 million naira. Are you saying someone else?
My person has the right to. My person needs the right. That is someone else's window. How?
My dad will kill me.
Piadora, what you are telling me is that the man you persuaded me to part with my 50 million is nowhere to be found. Is that?
Dad, I'm still trying to comprehend what you just said. I am confused. I don't even. This man never told me he was planning on traveling. Oh my God.
Hey, what is going on?
I don't know.
We really need to report to the police. I mean, he needs to get caught.
Never. He cannot run with my money. It's not possible.
Calm down.
What? What is it? What is going on? Adora.
What am I doing here? I should be in my house. What am I doing here? What am I doing in my parents' house? Where is Collins?
Collins?
What do you mean, Collins? Mom, what's going on? Why am I here? Where is Collins?
Adora.
What? What is wrong with you? I mean, why are you behaving this way? You came in with one Mr. Brown and you introduced him to us as your fiancé.
You must be stupid. And who is Mr. Brown? Fiancé?
Mr. Brown is the man you got engaged with. Yes. You brought him here.
That man cannot run with my money. Never. He cannot run away with my money. I need my money.
Adora. Engaged? Yes.
No, there is a mix-up somewhere. There should be a mix-up somewhere. I need to see Collins. I can't possibly be... What are you talking about? I'm going after Collins.
Mom, we need to go after her. Can't you see that she's not acting normal again?
Someone came here with a car. Who could that be? I'm sure it's not Collins. Or could it be that Collins returned with a taxi?
Hi, Tony. Good afternoon. Please, I'm in search of my husband. If you see him anywhere, please tell him to come back home. I will drop my number at the end of this letter. Kindly call me if you know where I can see him. Thank you, Adora.
What is going on? Did Adora drop these notes here? Or someone is trying to prank me?
I'm back.
Wait, Collins.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Collins.
Yeah?
Don't tell me you're just coming back. Because I already knew it's a prank.
Prank how?
Have this.
I am just coming back.
Have it.
What is this?
Is this not your handwriting? Or you think I cannot identify your handwriting? It worked. It worked. It worked.
Damn. You know what? I am going out there to look for her, okay? When I come back, I'm going to give you the gist in full details. It worked! It worked!
Who be that? Okay, Collins. Now you?
Yes, na me. Is my wife here? I'm looking for her. She's searching for me. You don't understand, and you will not understand. See, my wife dropped this note at my friend's place. She's really searching for me. I need to see her now, please.
I not sabi read. My oga go sack me. I not may sack me. I be can't they go.
Tiago. You don't understand now.
I can't they go. I don't understand. Can't they go?
Sir.
Chief, I tell him at last next year after you not bro.
I greet you, sir. What are you doing, man? My wife dropped this note at my friend's place. She's really searching for me. Please, I need to see her. I just realized that she has gotten herself back.
Young man, have I not warned you? I do not want to see you here again.
Chief, I'm here to explain to you what really happened.
I hope you will not wish me to repeat myself. Leave.
Okay, tell him.
Chief, please, before you send me away, listen to me, okay? I realized that my wife has gotten herself back. She dropped this note. Look at it. This is her writing.
Young man.
She dropped it at my friend's place.
Hello? DPO. What? Where? I'll be there right away. Listen. Come out again and meet you here in your talk.
Chief,
get out.
Please, listen to me, sir.
Let me not meet you here. Get out!
Chief, please. Chief, you don't understand me. Sir, I am telling you the truth. And we him and I can't another thing. Shut up, my friend.
I don't look my face. I don't look my face.
Chief, my wife is searching for me, sir. Please.
Okay, come they go now.
Yes, that's exactly the situation. These people are rats. The guy stole my 50 million naira. Look at the situation. Yes, I want him to arrest him, bring his daughter for me, so that the daughter can stay in my house and explain things. That, yes, the beautiful one, not the other. Yes. Is that right? If that is the situation, I think everyone would love to do exactly the same way I do. Well, the same.
Stop right there. Your hands in the air. Your hands in the air. Stop right there. Yeah, move. Follow him. Move. Follow him and move.
Please,
There's nothing to say.
let me explain something to you. Are you surprised how I fished you out?
Hey, Chief, please.
Look, you are a fool to think you can run from the long arm of law.
Let's talk, man. Shut up!
Yes.
Quiet! Chief, let's talk, man.
Listen to me. You're going to pay every dime you collected from me, or you rot in hell.
Can we just
Take this fool away!
Let's just negotiate. Let's quiet.
Take him away.
Open the car, open the car, open the car.
Chief, wait, let me.
You have nothing to say. Move inside.
let's go, let's go, let's go. Chief, let's go.
And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is
That was all happened. Immediately I saw the letter my wife dropped at my friend's place. I knew that the influence of Rita's spirit has left her. I am here to apologize for everything. I love my wife, and I want her back as my wife.
This is so unbelievable.
Dad.
Quiet. Allow me to talk first. Collins.
Yes, Chief.
How do you want me to believe you? How do you want me to believe that you've not hypnotized my daughter?
Dad, no. I haven't been hypnotized. Collins is right. He said nothing but the truth. He's still my husband, Dad. And I still love him.
My husband, our daughter is right. Collins told us the truth. Please, let us continue to support them that we normally do. Please.
I am happy that Brown has been apprehended. Mom, Dad, we owe Collins an apology for thinking he's the one behind the kidnap.
The man that masterminded the kidnap?
It's no other person but my brother.
Kelvin?
Yes, Kelvin. He's already cooling off in the police net.
Idiot.
Collins, please, we are sorry. So sorry. We are sorry for accusing you wrongly. My husband went as far as locking up your friend, thinking that he hid you somewhere. Please forgive us.
It's all right, Ma. I've forgiven everyone, you know. I knew that it was Rita's spirit that was doing this to me. So I've forgiven everyone long before now.
Thank you.
Collins, you are a man.
Thank you, sir.
I am proud of you. Henceforth, you have been reabsorbed into this family. You are now part and parcel of this family. You are free. Take back my daughter. She's all yours.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Remember they say only the end just fine. The mission you can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten so fast, but you can't change the nature. Ooh. That's right, you're treading on will lead you to destruction. So be wise, make haste while the sun shines. A word is enough for the wise. I'm willing to know, I'm willing to know. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.